What's up, Degens? We're going to jump in and have a look at the advanced search features for the Degen Wallet Checker. Important to note that the web version or the browser version of Telegram, not recommended to use that version when you're utilizing the Degen Wallet Checker. I recommend either the application on your operating system, either Mac or Windows, or on your phone, of course, whichever one suits, but do not use the browser version. Now, for those watching this on YouTube, the link to sign up and subscribe to the Degen Wallet Checker is in the description below. If you're already signed up for Degen Wallet Checker and in the premium membership, then you don't need to worry about that. Let's just jump in and have a look at the advanced search features for the Degen Wallet Checker. Of course, you're first going to need to jump into the vault, and the vault will bring up the original filters for your searching. Remember, those original filters, very limited compared to the advanced vault search. Now down here, you'll find the advanced vault search. Now what the advanced vault search does is it creates minimum and maximum parameters for each individual piece of data that we have. So we have the balance, win rate, P&L, ROI, trading period, etc. Now we have the ability to set minimum values as well as maximum values to get the exact wallets that you want that fit your parameters. So we're going to jump in and have a look at how to set these up. Very, very simple. But you need to keep in mind that the tighter you set these filters, the less wallets you're going to receive. Now this is still populating the current wallets with this update. We have to scan wallets from the blockchain to update the vault with these parameters, but we are scanning 10,000 wallets or more per day. So we're getting a lot of wallets every day. So every day you do these searches, there will be more and more wallets for you to receive and to do your research on in order to get good copy trading wallets. If you want more wallets, it's a good idea to loosen your restrictions to get more wallets. Always a good idea, in my personal opinion, to get as many wallets as you possibly can to do further research on those reports. There's Excel spreadsheets and previews as well. So let's jump in and have a look at each individual parameter and set some standards. First off the rank is balance in Solana. So you do not want a wallet that has a zero balance or a wallet that has below 1 Solana, in my opinion, unless they're obviously only investing 0.05 or 0.1 per trade. But at the end of the day, you don't really want to copy trade a wallet that is not doing fantastic results. So anything above 1 Sol, in my opinion, is great. And of course, your max value for the balance of Solana, it doesn't really matter how high you go with that. I just want to get as many wallets as possible. So I'm just going to set that at 1,000 Solana. So I want to get all the wallets between 1 Sol and 1,000 Solana that are actually actively trading. So next one down is win rate. Now you want to get some wallets that have a decent win rate. Personally, I set my own minimum of 50% and my maximum of 85%. Anything outside of those ranges, I don't really want to automate my copy trading under 50%, and I don't want to really target wallets over 85% because generally those are maybe dev wallets, insider wallets, or scam wallets that are getting higher win rates because they have an advantage and they're going to use you as exit liquidity if you try to copy trade them. So between those two percentages, that's where I like to go. Now the profit and loss in Solana, again, you don't really want anyone who's less than 1 Sol in profit, and I've put my max here as 1,000 Solana as profit. I just want to get as many wallets as possible. I don't really care where the number sits for them. I just want to make sure I get as many wallets as I can that are actually getting profits. Now for the ROI percentage, I've set 20% as my minimum and 500% as my maximum. You can go higher if you want to. Perhaps there are people who are earning higher ROI, but again, that's probably going to be getting you wallets that are a little bit more scammy or insider traders, that kind of thing. 20% is okay in my opinion. So anything above 20%, we want to look at wallets in more detail if they have a win rate in this range here. So that is fine with me. 20% minimum, 500% maximum. Trading period in days. Now we want a wallet to be trading probably more than a week in my opinion. So I've got 7 days as the minimum and 50 days as the maximum. Now sometimes good wallets will move on to new wallets. So you do want to get new wallets that have a trading period of 7 days or more, in my personal opinion. You can set your own parameters for that, up to you how you want to go. Total trades. Now I'm happy to look at total trades of 10 or more. I will look at wallets in more detail in the reports to see if they're still good wallets, but obviously you want a few more than just 10 trades. Probably 30 trades or more is much better, in my opinion, to get a good idea of whether it's a good trading wallet or not. But I'm still willing to look into wallets that have only 10 trades or more. So my minimum for total trades is 10, maximum obviously doesn't really matter. I just want to get as many wallets as I can above this range. Average duration, now you don't want snipers or scalpers who get in and out of trades within 30 seconds. Personally, I would like to get traders that do 3 minutes or more. So between 3 and 60 minutes is my duration that I want to find traders between those time frames. So anything above 3 minutes and anything below 60 minutes, again, you can go higher than 60 minutes to try and get in as many wallets as you can within that range. Average invested Solana, now that is per trade. So I'm just wanting to get, again, as many wallets as I can. So I put 0.1 as minimum and 10 as maximum. Obviously you can increase this maximum as much as you want and try and copy trade whales. Just make sure that they're getting into high market cap tokens in the millions. So if you do start to copy trade whales, then they're going to move the price depending on the market cap. So just keep that in mind. Personally, I don't really want to go over anyone who's copy trading more than 10 max. So I'm just going to keep that restricted as is. Average buys per token, 1 buy or 5 buys. Now again, this average buys per token, I would leave this as pretty liberal. You can even increase this higher if you want, because with most copy trading bots these days, you can limit that and filter those trades out if they're buying multiple times. So I've just set mine between 1 and 5. I don't mind if they are doing multiple buys, because again, I can filter out that in TradeWiz. Snipes percentage, I don't want a trader who's sniping or getting in and out of tokens within 30 seconds. So I would rather have wallets that are 15% or less sniping tokens. So that means 15% of their trades are for sniping, and anything above that, then it will be filtered out by these search parameters here. Average buys per day. Now we're looking at 2 to 20 buys per day. Wanting to get a fair amount of buys per day, because again, depending on the certain wallets, we can actually filter out certain trades from wallets. So even if a wallet is trading 20 tokens per day or buying and selling 20 tokens per day, we can still filter out that to bring it down to a lot less. So we don't really want to do 20 copy trades from one wallet per day, but we can look at wallets in more detail to try and filter out those trades and bring them into a more acceptable trade range. So keep this quite open, in my opinion. 2 per day to 20 per day is okay, because then we can research those wallets and figure out whether they're any good. Sold more percentage. So we don't want traders that are selling more than they bought, which means they're either a dev or insider or getting airdrops from other wallets. So we don't really want to get involved with those too much. I've set this maximum of 15%. So that means 15% of their trades, they're selling more than they bought. So we're trying to limit those kind of traders that are getting insider deals or dev wallets or selling more than they've bought. So sometimes that can be an issue when trying to copy trade. So that's 0 to 15%. And then the last one is medium first buy market cap, which means the market cap at which they first bought the token. So here I have set a minimum market cap of 25,000 and a max market cap of 5 million. Now, totally up to you whether you want to play the gamble on lower market caps of 5 on 10,000, totally up to you. I used to play that game. I'm not interested in that anymore. I just want to get wallets that are doing good trades with decent market cap to take away that risk. And of course, if you want to look at wallets that are doing less than 25K first buy market cap, then you can always filter out those trades as well. So another good option, if you want to find more wallets, reduce this down to 5,000 or 10,000, and then you can have a look at those wallets in more detail and possibly filter out some of those riskier trades. So I'm going to set mine 25,000 to 5 million, and that'll be fine. And then we have the usual last updated 7 days ago and the last trade 3 days ago. So I'm just going to jump in now and hit search on those features and see what we come back with. Now, like I said, the wallets are still being updated in the back end for the vault. So we're scanning 10,000 wallets a day from the blockchain in order to update with these details like the medium market caps, the JITO tips, the fees, and also these advanced search features. So you'll find initially from the time of this video, there will be less available from the vault with these search features, but there'll be more every day coming on board. So do not fret. There'll be heaps more coming in every day. So make sure you're doing your advanced vault search every day and bringing in more wallets. Now that has given me 28 results for specific wallets that I really want to look at. So what I'll do now is I'll skim through each particular wallet and I'll decide whether I want to download that report. So I'll actually copy the wallet address and paste it here. and then scroll through to the next one and keep copying addresses that I'm more interested in getting the reports for. So you can look at here, the results. We've got these new features here, the gas fee, Jitto tip, blocks tip, and we've got the medium first buy market cap as well here in the results for the previews. So that, my friends, is the advanced search features. For more details about the Degen Wallet Checker, check out our YouTube channel, full details there, as well as the guide.degenmemecalls.com, linked below in the description below. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.